Alright, guys, welcome back and yes, magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang gabi kung saan mo kayo ngayon. So ngayon guys, we have another reaction video galing sa ating P-pop Kings. Wala nang iba kundi ang SB19. So ngayon guys, meron silang bagong labas na music video galing sa kanilang bagong album na Wakas at Simula, Simula at Wakas. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yung title ng music video is Emoji. So, feature dito guys yung kanilang foreign collaboration with Jolene. So, I'm really excited with this. Hindi ko pa nakita yung full music video. I just saw a clip sa social media. Pero ngayon guys, excited akong panoorin yung buong music video. So, samahan nyo ako. Tignan natin kung nanda ng SB natin, sa atin when it comes to productions, choreography. But I know that it's going to be lit as so, yun nga, huwag na natin patagalin guys. And by the way, sa mga bago sa channel ko, ako nga pala si Jam. So, I am also a dance choreographer and also a dance coach. I have also a dancer and I have my crew here in our province, Roa City, Capiz. I'm doing some reaction video, unboxing content, travel vlog. So sa mga bago guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button at i-ring nyo na rin yung bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng ipopost natin dito sa channel. And if you want to see my other previous reaction video, you can just go to my channel and check because marami ako dun guys na ginawang video para sa inyo. So ngayon guys, huwag na natin patagalin. Excited na ako, samahan nyo na akong i-check yung bagong official music video ng SB19 featuring Jolene, Emoji. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Let's go.
Seizures.
I pop it.
Grabe naman. Panalo na sa CGI tsaka sa fits guys tsaka concept oh. Umpisa pa lang. Let's go Ken. Damn. Damn. Woo! Let's go. Grabing dating ng ano, black and white tsaka wow. Parang si Jenny yung kamukha niya no, nung ano, ni Jolene. Grabe talagang ano, production. Damn, CGI thing, man. Naalala ko yung ano ba yun? Yung si Kendrick Lamar, yung halftime show yata yun. Sa Super Bowl. Nakamask yung mga dancer. Damn! Woo! Wow. What the hell, man? That's a lot to take. That's a lot to take. Actually, guys, ito yung mga klaseng music video na kailangan mo talagang panoorin na paulit-ulit kasi maraming details, maraming nangyayari, basta. So, we just ngayon gagawa tayo ng counting breakdown. So, first things first, pagdating sa Fitz Slay. Actually, hindi sila nag-change ng fit, the same all throughout sa buong music video. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yung fits nila, it's like leather black and leather black, something like very aggressive tignan, tapos napaka-angas syempre. At when it comes to the fits, guys, grabe yung like production, makeup, hairstylist, lahat, guys. Yan yung una. Pangalawa is yung visual effects, yung CGI. So dito ako, guys, medyo interesting na i-discuss kasi I saw a lot of Filipino tawag dito music video na yes, nag-upgrade actually year by year. Pero when it comes to SB19, itong emoji, guys, na music video nila, it's on the top. Ayaw man sabihin, pero at first, kung titingnan mo yung music video, guys, hindi mo malalaman na it's from Philippines. It's like a Korean production, nag-edit lahat, conceptualize. Hindi mo i-expect na it's Pinoy yung gumawa. I mean, Pinoy yung it's a Filipino boy band. Hindi mo ma-expect kasi parang yung CGI, yung visual effects, yung background, yung backdrop, yung mga tawag dito, like ginamit nilang mga props, tsaka yung kung gaano sila ka-creative when it comes to every part at angle ng music video. Napaka-swabe. It's a very high quality kind of music video, guys. At I'm so proud kasi nandito na tayo sa ganitong part ng mga pagpo-produce ng quality video and performances. And isa ba dyan, aside from the CGI effects, sa pag-edit, sa editing team, sa video editing team, visual team, pangatlo is yung choreography. So when it comes to the choreography, guys, na-notice ko dun, medyo intense, technical din, may mga technical na part, medyo mahirap, tsaka merong part din na minimal yung movement, which is yun yung nakaka-hype. Tsaka if ever ikaw nasa concert ka, nanonood ka ng SB19, yun yung part, yung crowd, hakot sa crowd. Tsaka syempre alam naman natin na si Jay yung choreographer nila, and then I know that their backup dancer is W3. So napakaswabe ng guys, ng concept. Ang choreography, may part na technical, may part na kayang sabayan, like when it comes to dance challenge, yung mga 18 kaya nilang gawin. And given naman, guys, na every member ng grupo ng SB is ang gagaling sumayaw, given na yan. Especially, parang ang daming ano dun parang ang daming makakakot ni Stel dito Kasi, kung manotice you guys, siya lang sa 5 boys, siya lang yung parang nakasando lang, di ba? Kita yung muscle, simple flex sa muscle. Yung ibang boys, naka-jacket, naka-leather, si Ken naka-hood, di ba? Pero si Style lang talaga yung parang sando lang, tapos flex sa muscle. So, dami namang chicks nito na makakakot ni Style. And aside from that, masakit din guys yung hindi ko masyado na yung message ng song na emoji. So I think I need to watch it again, but that's my initial like thoughts when it comes to the fits, the video of effects, CGI effects, conceptualization, and then sa dance choreography. And then pang-apat, let's go to production. Production in terms of like their background, the concept that they choose, and also Jolene. So yes, so the production wise, yung background, there's LED TV, LED background, yan, nakapagdagdag ng effects habang sumasayaw sila. At the same time, it's like a dark room na, there's some strobe lights, may mga silhouette, something na scene kanina. Merong ding white room na parang sa part ni Jolene. And then, it's really guys a high-end type of production. Yan lang yung masasabi ko. I mean, it's on the top. Diba? At kay Jolene, actually, si Jolene guys, first time ko lang siyang nakita dito sa hindi ako masyado familiar sa kanya, but I think, correct me if I'm wrong, ayoko mag-mention ng country kung saan siya galing. I think it's from China, I think Taiwan, I'm not sure guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Nabasa ko lang sa article. At si Jolene, isa sa mga famous na artist or pop artist. So nakita mo naman guys, when it comes to performance, ang galing sumayaw, galing kumanta, parang may part pa nga doon na nagra-rap pa siya, which is grabe, ang lakas ng dating din guys. At alam mo talaga yung artist kapag yung hasang-hasa na, like sanay na sa lahat, like all around, sanay nang umarap sa camera, alam niya na kung anong gagawin niya. She knows on how she will perform it, kung saan siyang magandang angle, kung ano yung strength niya, kung saan siya medyo at kung paano niya i-project yung sarili niya. Alam mo na talaga guys, sa aura pa lang. Kaya grabe, if this is one of the milestones of SB19 and also on the Philippine music industry when it comes to this kind of collaboration guys, well, congratulations. Yun lang yung masasabi ko, kasi it's really a big music video, at it's just one of how many songs dun sa album nila. Kaya siguro I need to check it more, at if ever maglabas sila guys ng bagong music video, we can comment down below yung link, or kasi nakasubscribe din lang ako sa SB19, so any kind of update din makikita ko. Pero sometimes syempre hindi ako nakakapag-open ng accounts, so you can also comment down guys below if meron ako mga na-miss na mga bagong music video ng SB19 na galing sa bagong album nila. So I'm so excited. So aside from that, I think parang wala na, and it's good to be like reacting again to new music video tsaka new updates ng SB19. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapagawa kasi guys sa mga contents dito sa channel. So I'm just so proud guys na grabe na talaga yung P-pop ngayon. I mean yung SB magpi-perform sa Lollapalooza, and then Summer Sonic yata yun, diba? Sa Japan. So wow, I mean it's so it's insane, it's mind-blowing, and grabe, I mean it's really ito na yung mga time na pwede natin sabihin na we are really getting there sa kung ano mang tinatahak nila, at dapat tahakin guys ng OPM, because we really deserve this. Ang daming talents dito sa Pinas, kaya deserve natin na makilala guys. Actually dapat noon pa. So dapat thankful ako guys sa mga nag-break ng mga border, because it will give us a way para sa mga other Pinoy artists na ma-expose, makilala, makapag-perform not just here in Philippines but worldwide or international. Kaya, yun lang. Salamat guys sa nakabot sa part na to. And kapag meron pa kayong ibang tanong, ibang suggestion, don't forget to comment down below lang guys. The comment section is always free. Any kind of suggestion and comment, I really appreciate that. And thankful din ako guys sa mga nagko-comment sa previous reaction video ko. And ayun, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button and i-ring nyo rin yung bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng ipopost natin dito sa channel. So maraming salamat guys sa mga nakabot sa part ito, and I'm out. Peace and see ya. Yeah.
Let's go.